Mmhmm. Hops and ham is a go-to sandwich for almost every lime during the holiday season in Trinidad and Tobago. But today, I'll show you how easy it is to make something extra special that could really impress your guests at the next house line. Pulled pork sandwiches. We're kicking things off with the dry rub for the pork shoulder. For this we need paprika, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, brown sugar. The link to the full recipe will be posted in the description. Next, I'm going to do a garlic paste to add a little extra seasoning to the meat. Basically, you need a lot of garlic. Here I use about 3 heads and it worked out to be about 30 cloves of garlic. So yeah, level garlic up in this. Add a bit of salt to your cloves when you're adding it to your mortar and pestle for abrasion, and pound the garlic until it becomes a chunky paste. You had to use a little elbow grease here, but don't worry, you'll be pleased with the results. Take a knife and cut around the flesh close to the bone on the shoulder, making a pocket. Then you want to stuff the pocket with the garlic paste. Use your knife and cut another pocket right beneath the skin. You want to stuff that with more garlic paste. You want to take your time and massage the dry rub into the pork shoulder. Now we want to place this in a preheated oven at 400 degrees for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. After the hour, you want to cover it down and turn down the temperature to about 300 degrees and allow it to cook for 2 more hours. Remove it from the oven and allow it to rest for about 20 to 30 minutes. So now you want to use some liquid to deglaze the dish and incorporate all that caramelized action into the pork. I use about 3/4 cups of water. You want to use 2 forks and shred the pork. Now you can serve this up with some hops and coleslaw. I serving it here on some wheat and oat ciabatta bread with a spicy mayo dressing. Bring this out for your guests at your old age lime and be prepared to be showered with compliments. You're welcome. For more great recipes, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. Be sure to subscribe to our newsletter on eatahfoodtt.com so you can get updates as we'll be pushing out a lot of new content in 2019 across the platforms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.